Welcome to Best Choice. The best blender lid is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, until it breaks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Oster blender replacement lids. We'll explore why a good lid is essential for a smooth blending experience, and how to choose the right one to keep your smoothies flowing and your kitchen clean. Get ready to upgrade your blending game. Number 5. Oster Stall B00-11 Oval Blender Jar Lid, Black. Introducing the Oster Blender Jar Lid. This is a replacement lid for your Oster blender. It's designed to fit perfectly and keep your blending mess-free. The lid features a sleek black oval design. It's made to match your blender and add a touch of style to your kitchen. The design ensures a secure fit. It comes with a filler cap that doubles as a 2 ounces measuring cup. This is convenient for adding ingredients while blending. It makes measuring easy. The filler cap is removable for easy filling and measuring. You can easily add ingredients without removing the entire lid. This feature is very convenient. This lid is compatible with most Oster blenders. It's a versatile accessory that enhances your blending experience. Make sure it fits your specific jar diameter. This lid is designed to fit 5-inch diameter Oster jars. Ensure that your jar matches this size for a perfect fit. It's a reliable replacement part. What we like. This lid is designed specifically for oval Oster jars. It features a convenient filler cap that doubles as a measuring cup, making it easy to add ingredients. If you frequently use an oval jar and value precise measurements, you should consider this one. What people say. It fit perfectly. Proper fit and of expected quality. This fit perfectly. I love that it's snug and feels so nice on my blender. Number 4. Univen Blender Lid and Cap for Oster Round Jars. Introducing the Univen Blender Lid and Cap, designed specifically for Oster round jars. This set includes a black plastic lid and a clear plastic center filler cap. It's a quality part from Univen, a family-owned American business. This lid and cap are not universal. They are only compatible with Oster round blender jars. Make sure your jar has a 5.125-inch inside diameter before purchasing. Please check your measurements carefully before you order. This product is designed for a specific jar size. Avoid ordering this as an experiment to ensure it fits your needs. The lid and cap fit round jars with a 5.125-inch inside diameter. It's designed to provide a secure fit, ensuring smooth blending every time. The cap allows you to add ingredients while blending. This Univen product is made with quality materials. It's a reliable replacement part for your blender. It's a great way to keep your blender running smoothly. What we like. This lid is designed for Oster round jars with a specific inside diameter. It comes with both the lid and the center filler cap. If you have a round jar and need a reliable replacement from a trusted brand, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect fit, and unlike the original chips of brittle plastic aren't breaking off every time I run it through the dishwasher. This lid fitted perfectly. Fits good and does the job. Number 3. Univen Lid and Cap for Oster Clover Leaf Blender. Is your blender lid cracked or missing? This Univen lid and center cap is designed specifically for clover leaf-shaped Oster blender jars. It's the perfect replacement to keep your blending going smoothly. This lid and cap fits a wide range of Oster blender models. It works with models like 6630, 6631, 6650, and many more. Check your model number to ensure a perfect fit. Not only does it fit various models, but it also works with Oster blender jars 083818 and 84036. This ensures that it is compatible with your existing setup. This Univen lid and cap replaces Oster part number 83820-000-805. This makes it easy to find the right replacement part for your blender. Installing this lid and cap is simple and straightforward. It snaps right into place, restoring your blender's functionality in minutes. Get yours today. What we like. This lid is made for clover leaf-shaped Oster blender jars. It fits several Oster blender models and replaces a specific Oster part number. If you own a clover leaf jar and need a direct replacement, it's a perfect choice. What people say. Fits great, does the job. A perfect fit for my blender. The Clover leaf lid came quickly, although Amazon said it was lost. It fits my old, 25 years at least, Osterizer blender perfectly. The old lid had warped and cracked, so I couldn't blend. Now I can, no need to buy a new blender. Number 2. Oster blender lid replacement for Oster Osterizer. Is your blender lid broken or missing? This replacement lid is designed for Oster Osterizer Classic Series blenders with 6-cup glass jars. It's a perfect fit to keep your blending smooth. This lid is specifically made for Oster Osterizer Classic Series blenders with 6-cup glass jars. It's also compatible with Oster Pro 1200 models. Make sure it fits your blender before purchasing. The lid is made of high-quality, food-grade materials, ensuring safety and durability. It's designed to withstand regular use and contact with food items. You can blend with confidence. The lid features a small, removable transparent cap in the center. This allows you to easily add ingredients while blending. It also helps with measuring ingredients accurately. The package includes one Oster blender jar lid. It's all you need to replace your old or damaged lid. Get yours today and keep your blending going. What we like. This lid is compatible with the Osterizer Classic Series 6-cup glass jar. It's made from high-quality, food-grade materials and has a removable center cap for easy refilling. If you have a Classic Series blender and want a safe and convenient replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. My lid broke and this fit perfectly. This was the exact replacement for the 6-cup Oster Classic blender. Thanks for offering exactly what I needed. You offered a variety of colors and sizes. Wasn't sure this would fit my 5-inch round blender pitcher, but it sure does. Glad to not have to replace the blender just because my dog chewed up the lid. Number 1. Os-ter blender lid replacement for Pro 1200. Is your blender lid damaged? This replacement lid is designed specifically for Os-ter blenders. It's a perfect fit to get your blender working like new again. This lid fits various Os-ter blender models, including 3111, 3112, and Pro 1200. Check the model number to ensure it's compatible with your blender. It's a versatile solution for many Os-ter blender owners. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, this lid is built to last. It's strong, sturdy, and even dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. You can trust it to handle all your blending needs. The lid features a removable centerpiece with a scale for easy measuring. This design allows you to add ingredients while blending. It's a convenient feature for any recipe. Instead of replacing the entire blender, this lid offers an affordable solution. It extends the life of your blender, saving you money and time. It's a smart investment for your kitchen. This is a non-original replacement part. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are here to help you with any issues and ensure your satisfaction with the product. What we like. This lid fits a variety of Oster blender models. It's made from high-quality, food-grade materials and includes a removable lid with a scale for easy measuring. If you need a versatile and durable replacement lid, you should consider this one. What people say. The lid fits perfectly. The lid is a perfect replacement for the original. It works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.